Top 8 Best Vegetables for Diabetics. Think you know which vegetables are good for diabetes? Well, you might be missing out on some of the best ones that could transform your blood sugar control. Let's uncover the truth together, starting with a vegetable most people completely overlook. Managing diabetes doesn't have to be boring or complicated. The right vegetables can make a huge difference, not just for your blood sugar, but for your overall health. In this video, we're counting down the top 8 best vegetables for diabetics, from the nutrient-packed staples to the surprising choices you'll want to add to your meals right away. Stick around to find out which veggie deserves the top spot and why it might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Number 1. Asparagus. Asparagus isn't just a tasty vegetable. It's a powerhouse for managing diabetes. It's loaded with iron and copper, which support healthy blood cells and boost energy. Asparagus is also high in potassium, helping regulate blood sugar and balance fluids, which is crucial for diabetics. But that's not all. Asparagus benefits heart health too. It contains calcium, phosphorus, and manganese, which help regulate blood pressure, a key factor for people with diabetes. Its low sodium content makes it a heart-healthy choice, which is important for diabetics at risk for heart disease. What makes asparagus even more powerful are its antioxidants. It's rich in folate and vitamin K, both promoting better insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation. Additionally, asparagus is packed with glutathione, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from the damage caused by high blood sugar levels. Incorporating asparagus into your meals is easy. Roast or steam it with olive oil, garlic powder, and fresh lemon juice for added flavor. For a complete meal, pair it with grilled chicken or salmon. Or chop it up and add it to a salad with spinach, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette for a refreshing lunch. To boost the nutritional value, combine asparagus with other diabetes-friendly ingredients like avocado for healthy fats or chia seeds for extra fiber. These combinations help manage blood sugar and make your meals even more satisfying. Asparagus is an easy, delicious, and nutrient-packed option for diabetics. It helps control blood sugar, supports heart health, and is simple to prepare. Add this superfood to your diet and enjoy balanced, tasty meals while managing your health. Number 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that supports heart health, a major concern for diabetics. Lycopene reduces oxidative stress and improves blood vessel function, lowering the risk of cardiovascular issues. Additionally, tomatoes are packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium, essential for maintaining health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, which is vital in managing diabetes complications. They're also low in carbohydrates and calories, making them ideal for controlling blood sugar without adding extra weight. Tomatoes have a low glycemic index, around 15, which means they release energy slowly, keeping blood sugar levels steady. Their high water and fiber content helps you feel full longer, making them a great addition to your diet. Tomatoes are versatile and easy to incorporate. Slice fresh tomatoes and drizzle with olive oil, sea salt, and pepper for a simple, healthy salad. For a heartier option, roast tomatoes with garlic and herbs, pairing them with grilled chicken, fish, or whole-grain pasta. Tomato soup made with fresh tomatoes and basil with a touch of low-fat cream is another comforting, healthy option. Combine tomatoes with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil to enhance lycopene absorption. For a snack, try avocado toast topped with cherry tomatoes and chia seeds for added fiber and omega-3s. From breakfast to dinner, tomatoes can be added to any meal. Their sweet, tangy flavor makes them a versatile and healthy ingredient for a diabetes-friendly diet. With their numerous benefits, tomatoes are a top vegetable for diabetics, promoting heart health, stable blood sugar, and overall wellness. Number 3. Bitter melon. Bitter melon is a unique vegetable that helps regulate blood sugar. It contains polypeptide P, insulin P, which mimics insulin, improving insulin sensitivity and lowering blood sugar levels. Studies show it can significantly aid in controlling diabetes. Its anti-inflammatory properties and immune-boosting effects make it even more beneficial for overall health. Bitter melon's insulin-like compounds help regulate glucose uptake and insulin function. Unlike many vegetables, it doesn't just stabilize blood sugar. It actively helps regulate insulin. It's also high in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage caused by high blood sugar. Incorporating bitter melon into your diet is easy. Stir-fry it with garlic, onions, and soy sauce to balance its bitterness. Alternatively, try bitter melon juice by blending it with lime or lemon juice for a refreshing, detoxifying drink. Pair bitter melon with turmeric, a powerful anti-inflammatory spice. For a complete meal, add it to a dish with chicken or tofu and brown rice for a balanced, diabetes-friendly meal. Adding bitter melon a few times a week can help with blood sugar control. While it may not be the easiest vegetable to love, its health benefits make it worth trying. Whether in stir-fries, juices, or soups, bitter melon plays an important role in managing diabetes and improving overall health. With its blood sugar regulating properties, it deserves a place among the top 8 vegetables for diabetics. Number 4. Okra is a powerful vegetable for managing diabetes due to its high fiber content. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar by slowing sugar absorption in the digestive system, leading to more stable energy levels throughout the day. Okra is also rich in potassium, vitamins B and C, folic acid, and calcium, which support overall health, heart function, and bone strength. Potassium, in particular, is important for regulating blood pressure, a key concern for diabetics who may be at risk for hypertension. Okra contains mucilage, a sticky substance inside the pods that helps regulate sugar absorption in the blood. This makes it a great vegetable for diabetes management. The fiber in okra also boosts insulin sensitivity, helping your body use insulin more efficiently. Studies show that regular okra consumption can lower blood glucose levels and improve insulin function. Okra is versatile and easy to prepare. Sauté it with olive oil, garlic, and herbs for a simple, healthy dish. For a crispy snack, roast okra with olive oil, salt, and pepper for 20 to 25 minutes. You can also add okra to stews or make a homemade okra sauce for extra flavor and nutrition. To maximize its benefits, pair okra with other diabetes-friendly ingredients like tomatoes or onions. The antioxidants in tomatoes combined with okra's fiber enhance blood sugar control. For a balanced meal, add grilled chicken or tofu for a protein boost. Incorporating okra into your diet can help with blood sugar control. With its low glycemic index and nutrient-rich profile, okra is a great addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. If you're enjoying this video and finding these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more health tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or thoughts about today's topic, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Now let's keep going with more great advice for managing diabetes. Number 5. Cucumber is a hydrating powerhouse with over 90% water content, making it an excellent choice for diabetics. Staying hydrated helps control hunger and prevents blood sugar spikes, key factors for managing diabetes. But cucumber doesn't stop there. It also aids in regulating blood sugar. What makes cucumber particularly effective for diabetics is its ability to influence insulin production. It promotes the function of beta cells in the pancreas, which produce insulin, the hormone crucial for blood sugar regulation. Cucumber's low glycemic index, 14, means it won't cause blood sugar spikes, making it an ideal snack for diabetics. It stabilizes blood sugar levels while providing essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. Additionally, the antioxidants found in cucumber, such as flavonoids, help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, common issues in diabetes. Cucumber is incredibly versatile. You can eat it raw in salads for a refreshing crunch, or pair it with hummus for a hydrating snack. For something savory, try homemade pickles without added sugar, or blend it with yogurt for a creamy salad dressing. For a quick snack, slice it up and sprinkle with salt, pepper, or olive oil and herbs. You can also combine cucumber with tomatoes or avocados to enhance antioxidants and healthy fats, perfect for keeping blood sugar levels stable. Cucumber pairs well with other diabetes-friendly ingredients like tomatoes, onions, and avocados. The antioxidant boost from tomatoes and the healthy fats from avocados make for a perfect combination. For a well-rounded meal, add cucumber to a salad with grilled chicken or tofu. Cucumber is a simple, low-calorie addition to any diabetes management plan, with its water content, low glycemic index, and essential nutrients. It's an easy and delicious way to support healthy blood sugar levels. Number 6, carrots are packed with nutrients, making them an excellent choice for managing diabetes. They're rich in beta-carotene, fiber, vitamins K1 and A, potassium, and antioxidants. These nutrients support overall health, especially for diabetics. Carrots have a low glycemic index, GI, of 16, meaning they don't cause blood sugar spikes. The fiber in carrots helps slow sugar absorption, keeping blood sugar stable throughout the day. This is crucial for those managing glucose levels. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A supports healthy skin, vision, and immune function, important for diabetics, as they may have a weakened immune system. Rich in antioxidants, carrots help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two factors that contribute to diabetes complications. The potassium in carrots also helps regulate blood pressure, which is vital for diabetics at higher risk of heart disease. Carrots are versatile and easy to add to any meal. Eat them raw as a snack, slice them into salads, or roast them with olive oil and herbs for a savory side dish. They're also great in soups and stews. Try a carrot and cucumber salad or blend carrots with apples for a refreshing smoothie. To boost the absorption of beta-carotene, pair carrots with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado. This enhances their benefits for your skin, vision, and immune system. With their low glycemic index, high fiber, and rich antioxidant content, carrots are a perfect addition to your diabetes management plan. Whether raw, roasted, or in soups, carrots help regulate blood sugar and improve overall health. Add them to your meals for a tasty and nutritious boost. Number 7. Broccoli. Broccoli isn't just a nutritious veggie, it's a diabetes game changer. Thanks to sulforaphane, a compound found in broccoli, it can help manage blood sugar levels. Sulforaphane reduces glucose production in the liver, keeping your blood sugar steady throughout the day. For diabetics, this is a key benefit, but it doesn't stop there. Broccoli is packed with fiber, which helps slow sugar absorption, preventing those blood sugar spikes after meals. This makes it a perfect addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. What makes broccoli so effective? It's the powerful combination of sulforaphane, fiber, and vital nutrients. Vitamin C and magnesium support overall health, while calcium strengthens bones, a big plus for diabetics who may face bone health challenges. Plus, antioxidants in broccoli fight oxidative stress and inflammation, both linked to diabetes complications. Incorporating broccoli into your meals is simple. You can steam, sauté, or even eat it raw for a quick snack. Try pairing raw florets with a hummus dip or adding it to salads, soups, or stir-fries. Want a flavorful side dish? Roast it with olive oil, garlic, and herbs. To preserve its health benefits, lightly cook your broccoli. Steaming or blanching is ideal to retain sulforaphane and other nutrients. Pairing broccoli with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado boosts nutrient absorption, especially for vitamins like K and A. It's a small change that makes a big difference. With its low glycemic index, high fiber content, and sulforaphane, broccoli is a must-have in a diabetic-friendly diet. Whether in soups, salads, or as a side dish, this veggie supports blood sugar control while offering essential nutrients. Add it to your meals, and your body will thank you. Number 8. Lettuce. Lettuce isn't just a crunchy salad filler, it's a powerhouse for diabetics. Packed with vitamin C, lettuce supports your immune system and helps protect against infections. Plus, its antioxidants fight inflammation, which is often a concern for people with diabetes. Lettuce also offers a big advantage in blood sugar management. Thanks to its high fiber content, it slows the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing those sharp spikes in blood sugar after meals. This makes lettuce a perfect addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. The American Diabetes Association, ADA, encourages including lettuce in your daily meals, and for good reason. It's low in calories and has a low glycemic index, making it ideal for keeping blood sugar levels steady. Lettuce also helps reduce the risk of heart disease, a common concern for diabetics. Its anti-inflammatory properties are a bonus. Chronic inflammation is linked to insulin resistance, And lettuce's ability to reduce inflammation helps improve insulin sensitivity, ultimately supporting better blood sugar control. Incorporating lettuce is easy and versatile. Enjoy it in fresh salads with cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers for a refreshing, nutrient-packed meal. Need a quick snack? Wrap lean protein like grilled chicken or turkey in a large lettuce leaf instead of a tortilla. Lettuce can even be blended into smoothies. Combine it with spinach, cucumber, and berries for a delicious drink that keeps your blood sugar in check. For better nutrient absorption, pair lettuce with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. These fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A and K, making your lettuce even more nutritious. Including lettuce in your daily meals is an easy way to manage blood sugar and improve overall health. With its low-calorie, high-nutrient profile and its anti-inflammatory benefits, lettuce is an excellent choice for diabetes management. Whether in a salad, sandwich, or smoothie, lettuce is a versatile, diabetes-friendly vegetable that supports healthy blood sugar levels. So there you have it, the top 8 vegetables that are not only delicious, but also help manage blood sugar levels for diabetics. From the refreshing lettuce to the nutrient-packed broccoli, these vegetables offer amazing health benefits and are easy to incorporate into your daily diet. They are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that help keep your blood sugar levels in check, reduce inflammation, and support overall health. By adding these veggies to your meals, you're making a smart choice for your diabetes management, while also boosting your immunity and energy levels. What's your favorite vegetable from the list? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more tips on healthy eating and managing diabetes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.